Hello guys, welcome back. So in this class we're gonna to set up our environment. So I'm gonna teach you how to install Python, Django, and get your environment working. So the first thing that we need to do is installing the Python version. If you are using Mac or Windows, you just need to come here in the download section and click on this link. Okay, once you click on this link, the installer is the download of the installer will gonna start. Okay, so there is no secrets, there is no any problem with this. You just wait for the download, you execute this, do continue and finish, or Windows next and finish. It is gonna install the Python for you. If you want to check if the Python was installed correctly, you just open your terminal. In my case, I have the terminal right here, or you can type Windows and and type CMD. If you are using Windows, it's gonna open the CMD. In my case, that I'm using Mac, I just type terminal. In my case, I type the command and space, and this search bar shows up, and I type terminal, and then the terminal will show on. Okay, once you have your terminal open, you type Python, and then the Python console will open for you. Here you can see that I'm using the Python 2.7.10 when I type Python. Okay, to exit, to close the Python console, you type exit, and then in my case, if I type Python 3, I have the latest version installed, the Python 3.6.4. Okay, so it's very easy to download. Continue or next and install. It will uh, install the Django version for you, and that's the way to check it. Okay, there's no secrets. It's very easy thing to do, very easy thing to check as well. So once we have the Python installed, we can install the Django. So the first thing that we need to do is creating one virtual environment. When you install the Python 3, it comes with a virtual environment. So it's one application, one small program that will create one kind of environment around your project that enables you to have your own dependencies for one specific project. Let's say that you want to use one library in the version 1 for a client, for another client you want to use the same library in a version 2. So you don't want to mix it up, and having the library version 2 interfering in the project with the library version 1 and vice versa. So for avoiding this kind of problem, you can create one virtual environment that will isolate every project, and then you can have a specific version of the libraries inside this environment. So to create this virtual environment, first we're going to create one folder for our project. So I'll type mkdir. I'll call that my project. Okay, I'll navigate. Let me increase this a little bit. So to navigate to this folder, I'll type cd my project. Okay, once I'm inside my folder, we're going to create the virtual environment. So you type Python 3. In my case it's Python 3. Maybe in your machine will be just Python. Okay, in my case I have Python 2 and 3 installed in the same time. So the way that I differentiate it is typing either Python or Python 3. So I type Python 3 minus mvm. So this is the command to create the virtual environment, but you need to give a name for this virtual environment. I'm going to call that my VM. Okay, so you type enter, wait a few seconds, and here we go. I type it ls, so you can see that here we have the my aim folder. created. So that's my virtual environment. But to activate this virtual environment, I need to type source my virtual environment being activate. Okay. If you are using Windows, you need to navigate to your folder. In Windows, you have a folder called scripts. So you type cd scripts. Okay. Once you are in the script folder, you type activate. Okay, and that's it. To check if the virtual environment is activated, you check if you have the my.env in the beginning of your console. That means that you are with your virtual environment activated. If you have any problem to install Python to create your virtual environment or to activate your virtual environment, you can left a comment here that I'm going to help you. Okay, that's no problem. So okay, I'll come back now. I'm here in my folder project, my project folder. Sorry. I'm beside my env. So if I type ls, you can see that I am in the same level as my virtual environment folder is. So now we are ready to install Django. Once you have the virtual environment activated, you can install Django. If you do that without activating your virtual environment, we are going to mix up things installing the Django straight away in your operational system. That's not very nice. Okay, you can do it if you want, but I don't recommend it. I recommend it meant you to install it inside the virtual environment. So okay, now to install Python is very simple. The tool called pip is another tool that is automatically installed when you install when you install Python. So if I type pip and do enter, you can see that the tool is being recognized. That's the commands, that's the options provided for this tool. Okay, so to install Django is very simple. You type pip install Django. Okay, so this tool will automatically look for the latest version, will download the latest version, and will install Django and its dependencies. For example, here we can see the PyTZ is one dependency, so it automatically download and install the PyTZ and then install Django for you. Okay, so once you get this message here, successfully installed Django.20, we can check it. Sorry, you can check it typing Python, okay, and typing import Django. If you don't get any error, means that the Django was successfully imported. To check it, you can type Django version, and here we go. You can see that you have the Django 2.0 installed and imported correctly in your Python console. Okay, so okay, that's it. Python installed, Django installed already as well. So let's skip it. Let's uh, exit from the Python console, and now we are ready to create our first Django project. Okay, to create your Django project is very simple too. You just type Django admin start project and the name of your project. Let's say we're going to build that application clients for managing clients. So let's call that clients. Okay, clients like this. Okay, start project. That is I'm spelling here. Okay, here we go. If you do ls, you can see that now we have the clients application created and working. Okay, cool. No, so for this class, guys, it is we install the dependencies, we create the virtual environment, we install Django, we create the first project, and in the next class we're going to install the IDE that we're going to use, that's called PyCharm. We're going to download and install PyCharm, and as well we're going to open our project, and I will show you how one Django project looks like. Okay, so I hope you enjoy it, guys. If you have any doubt, if you have any problem or any queries, you can leave a comment here that I will for sure I will help you. Okay, so that's it for now. See you in the next class. Bye bye.